Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can see, it's a sewing tutorial type of day. I am super duper excited to do this tutorial today. I had this tutorial on my mind for the longest, and I am just hyped that it's inspired by one of my favorite girlies out there in the street, Kim Kardashian, and she has this beautiful line called Skims that everybody knows right about now. She's marketing everywhere. She's branding everywhere, truthfully. She made 3 different type of bathing suits, and it's a fur, triangle, bralette, and thong set. And I'm just like, I don't know about the thong part. I might do a thongish. It's very dental floss between the booty. I don't feel like my booty needs to be that dental floss in it. It needs a little something back in it. I'm gonna make this inspired 2-piece from Skims and just put my own twist to it and just be inspired. I live in Florida, so it's a tad bit hot, so I could sit by the little pool and everything like that with the furs out. What you think? What you think? And let's go recreate Skims bathing suit. I'll see you at the cutting table. Okay guys, so I'm at the cutting table and I had to pick out a few patterns. This is what I'm using. I did a tutorial not too long ago on my channel, and it was a bathing suit tutorial. I'm going to use the similar patterns that I used in that tutorial for the front and back. So this is the front, the longer, and then the back is obviously the shorter part for the booty. And it's somewhat of a thong, but it's not a full thong. So like I said, I don't want the dental floss going through my booty, so we're going to make sure that something's covering the backside because the backside be backsided, okay? And then for the boob part, this is a sewing pattern that I got off of Etsy, but I feel like it don't cover my nips fully. And I have big areolas, and so I'm just going to make it a little bigger. It has the extra seam allowance around the side, so it'll just be perfect for these boobs, okay? For the straps, I freehanded, super simple. But as you can see in the picture, it's a triangle shape on the boob as a bralette, and then it's a little triangle shape at the bottom, which it's not going to be full triangle. It's going to be just more like bathing suit. Let's go dive into my fabric closet and see what type of fabric or what type of fur, faux fur, that we're going to use today. Who needs clothes when you actually can make your own clothes? Okay, so the type of fabrics I do have, I have this pretty pink fur, but I'm like, I like it, but I kind of want to save this for a different project, so we're going to see. Then I have this beautiful white plush minky type short hair fur, which actually looks similar to the bathing suit that she has on her website. And then I also have this black one that I thought was super duper sexy, which I'm not mad at it. What you think? Because I love a good black, and my branding is definitely black and white when it comes to Imbonese. And then last but not least, I do have this gray fur that I've been chopping up here and there, but I could definitely cut some pieces off of it. But I'm low-key kind of feeling this a lot more. I think this one is the winner. What do you think? We might as well use the rest of the pieces and get rid of it. So let's go back to the cutting table. So one thing about fur, it can get really messy. I always been advised when you get fur, just put in your washing machine. It will get all the little stragglies that be flowing and flying around here, which is doing right now. But you know, I don't mind a mess. I'm a cleaner, so I like cleaning. So oh well, it is what it is. Now I'm just gonna open this up and see how much fabric we got in this baby. So I have a lot of fur, but I realized something, that it's cut halfway. So let's see if it's enough room. Yeah. So what I'm gonna do is trace the bathing suit sewing pattern onto the fur and then take a blade and slice it out. Taking a scissors and actually cutting the fur directly will mess up the fur, the hairs on the fur, and it just looks choppy and looks horrible. And we don't want that, okay? Because I see a lot of people that do it, and stop doing that, because you're pissing me off when it comes to cutting the fur fabric, and I'm getting highly upset. Don't sew it then. Don't touch the fabric. Don't play with it. Don't do nothing until you learn how to cut it properly. Get a blade, take your time, and slice that sucker open, okay? Thank you. And it has a little rolling thing on the top, which makes life super simple. I have my sewing pattern cut out to a large, and we're just gonna bring it to the edge. Now, on top of that, I definitely need to see how the fur is laying before placing the sewing pattern on top, just because I want the fur to lay downwards on my body instead of going upwards like that, or being it's downwards like this, and next thing you know, the fabric is looking like this on my body and it looks weird. So I want everything to lay one direction so everything just looks smoothly on my body. And that plays a major part when it comes to making clothes. This way, roll it on. Simple, easy. I got my blade from Dollar Tree. Okay, so this is the first cutout. This is for the front part of my body, and I kind of like it. It's kind of giving like Flintstones, like type of vibe. I'm not mad at it. This is cute.
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Only gone for a year, only know like once. Life moves fast when you do what you want. I guess I'm doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What you want.
My new bitch look like Halle Berry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch fun like Jackie Brown. I wanna know but she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime,
It's not going what I want.
need some me time.
Hope you doing what you want.
Crib by the beach like Odell. Over my killers don't tell. Shadow my mom cause I New York the shelf. Now my bitch is Chanel. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime,
It's not going what I want.
get some me time.
Hope you doing what you want. Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it
My clothes are a mess, but I just want to see how this is going to look. And I think this is gonna hold my boob up. I think this is gonna look great, girl. Can't wait. Let me not be ratchet on YouTube, okay? I think I got fur in my mouth. So I cut all the front pieces of the fabric to the bathing suit. This is the front, this is the back. And then these are the boob pieces. So now I have to cut out some lining piece, and I have to go through some fabric actually to find some lining pieces that I can use. I didn't think that far. Hopefully I got gray. If I don't, we about to get real creative. I'm telling you right now. We have a winner. Here are some scraps, baby. Don't ask why I'm not prepared for this tutorial having full yards, just because I got a lot of fabric and I feel like the fabric that is in my house needs to be used before I purchase more, or my fabric in my house is just gonna keep looking at me like, girl, what you doing now?
don't fuck me up, don't let me down. Such a risk, but I'm willing to take a chance. What you think with my heart in your hand? Gotta learn how to let someone hold. Take time, gotta trust who I let you trust. Got me questioning what I've done
now we need straps, and I'm just gonna use some of the scrap pieces.
Open up, let me in and see, boy. I know where I wanna be. Yeah, wanna know what you're living me, boy. Yeah.
So these are all the pieces. The top, two for the sides, and this is for the bottom. So let's sew this all together, and I'll see you guys at the sewing table. Just to let y'all know, don't ever throw away your scraps. Your scraps can always come in handy for any type of project or any random project, or just take your scraps and create a new project with it. If you're new to sewing and you're a beginner and everything like that, and you're just like, oh, this is scraps, let me trash it. Don't do that, sis. Save it. I got like 2 bins under this table full of fabric, and I may got more in my closet of scraps. It's bad, yes. It's like a hoarding type of habit that we have right about now. But when I say it saves you, it saves you. So let's get back into the tutorial.
My trust in you. What will you do? Will you just step back? Will you duck it out? Will you be here to the end? I just wanna know if you my friend. I just wanna know if you pretending. I know I've been away. I'm just trying to get my mind straight.
Okay, so I've been making this bathing suit for the past, I started at 1 and no, I started at 12 and it's like 2:20 right now. It didn't take me too long when it came to making the bathing suit and everything like that. I'm almost done. I figured I should be done around 3, but girl, when I say making the strap and pulling it through the loophole without it like getting caught or anything is the biggest struggle. And then when it detached in that part right here, and I'm like, oh my goodness, now I gotta go find a part where I could just pull it and not rip the fabric. Stress. If you're a seamstress, you definitely know. If you're a designer, you know exactly what I'm talking about.
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What you want?
My new bitch look like Halle Berry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch fun like Jackie Brown. I wanna know if she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime,
It's not for what I want.
just some me time.
Hope you doing what you want.
Crib by the beach like Odell. Over mom, my killers don't tell. Shadow my mom, cause I New York the shelf. Now my bitch is to Chanel. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime,
It's not for what I want.
get some me time.
All right, girlies, so I'm giving you final thoughts. I super duper ooper looper quadruper love the bathing suit. It's super cute. Let me put it down one more. It's super cute. You can see the top. It's fur. I'm not gonna show the bottom too much just because or not be monetized for this video and nobody got time for that. But this is actually one of my favorite bathing suits. Even though it's gonna get a bit warm in Florida soon, I am definitely stepping out with this. I'm gonna go to my community pool and lay over there and feel luscious and furry. Thank you, Kim, for the inspiration and more videos soon.